I just got this saddle bag for my pedal bike here. This tiny little bag. I can't wait to check it out. It's weatherproof and supposed to be able to handle rigorous riding. So here we go. I love the tiny size of this. Super cute. And it's got a kind of a waterproof feel, leatherish kind of feel. So here's what I love about this. You just pull this magnet, and it's actually a nice strong magnet. The way that you close it, just putting the magnet, but you see that it's a nice strong nylon reinforced string. And when you turn it, it turns under this magnetic knob and it will snatch that closed. On this side, you have this loop to hold this very strong rubberish piece that surrounds your bag. The bag has really nice stitching, very well reinforced, really tight, strong little bag. So let's just open that up quickly, easy. Nice strong zipper, opens really nicely. And you have a nice deep pouch here. You can fit your credit cards, your cash, another pouch here. So basically, I could fit my set of keys in here, my chapstick, whatever you need. I even have a very compact little wallet, and it actually fits perfect in here. If I would want to bring my entire wallet, I could. So this is a cute bag. Put whatever you need in there and attach it to your bike and you're good to go. Okay, so here's my bike. Just want to show how easy it is. You can just assemble it basically anywhere you want. Snap it under the seat here and just screw it tight. And there it is. So now it's ready. It's ready for my ride. And when I want to take it off, when I stop, I don't want to leave this on here, just pop it off and I can take it with me. Easy as that.